What's up mga gwapito, mga peeps, Kulitan fam, what's up? So yun, welcome to Kulitan Vlogs Zero. So matatanong yung bakit nga ba Zero, kaya ito ko rin alam. Anyways, we're here. Ngayon, nagbo-vlog na naman ako. Maybe, sana, oo, please. Anyways, we're gonna be eating, I don't know kung against the light, pero gamit ko ngayon yung camera na bigay ni Tita. If you guys remember that, we're gonna be back on our hobbies. Ang tanong nyo, bakit ka na naman babalik? At babalik, meron ka na naman bagong series. Well, that's exactly why I am here. I want to create again. I want to be creative again. I want to be someone I am, which is something cool, diba? The past years na nasa engineering field ako, I felt like I'm not me. Like, hindi ko gusto yung pinag-aaralan ko whatsoever. I mean, hindi niya nakukuha yung curiosity ko, kumbaga. I mean, parang nag-aaral lang ako kasi gusto kong makuha yung course, ganun. Pero, ngayon na third year na ako, na pagtanto ko na talagang malaking thing ang pagiging engineer ko ngayon. And I've realized that on my way. Ngayon, kumbaga, I want to improve din sa engineering field. Di lang sa, dahil gusto kong mag-content creation, kumbaga. Well, I'm here again. Well, let's not hope for future. Walang future dito. We're back in the zone. Pagtanto ko na taking your passion away or taking another thing is not a good thing. Do you understand that? Simula nung tinanggal ko yung passion ko sa buhay ko, parang naging lifeless. From that point on, hindi na ako naka-move forward. Kasi iniisip ko, dapat ito yung nakuha kong course. Dapat ito, dapat ayan, dapat ayon. Gusto kong mag-multimedia, Gets? Hindi ko nakuha si multimedia, nabangag. Ganun yung naging epekto niya sa akin. Which leads us to passionless me. Napaganto ko, na pwede nating gawin, na pagsabayin, ang ginagawa kong gusto ko, while being in this course. Well, nagugustuhan ko naman na yung course. So why not? Let's do our hobbies. We can do both things and make them a one. Kasi dati natakot ako, pre. Bakit nga ba ako natakot? Kasi maraming bagay. And I don't want to leer on the past. Leer daw. Anong problema mo, Akayo? Ay, sorry. Nang-away. Joke lang. Joke lang nga. Back to that idea. I really want to be doing this. Matagal ko na siyang tinatago. Like, ang tagal ko nang hindi gumagawa ng content. I have a lot of contents on my external hard drive, pero never yung nagalaw. So, naiintindihan nyo ba ako, people? Kulitan pam, naiintindihan nyo ba ako? So, for now, we're gonna be aging again and making sa content. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be daily because alam nyo naman ang workload ng engineering. Pero, sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, what if nag-daily ako? Pero, pwede naman eh. Diba? Kung kaya ko, kung tingin kong kaya ko, why not? Nakakuha nga ako ng certification ngayon. Nakapasa nga ako ng engineering hanggang third year. So, why not? Diba? So, now, I'll be on my way, on creating contents, not being scared of anything, doing the things I love because they don't know how much passionate I am here. Nakawala na ako doon sa trap na kung saan nakatrap yung passion ko. Ngayon, it's time to move on and do something that I can comprehend, that I can do. Alright, kung ano lang sinasabi ko dun, pero I think you get it. Anyways, we're gonna be doing something again, boys and girls. Nawala yung boses ko, and now we're gonna be maingay again. So we'll be back.
Bulaga. Ang ini ko din. Good morning. Anyways, today it's Sunday and yeah, I don't know what's gonna be happening on Monday today. Medyo kakagising ko lang. Matulugan ko yung mga kaibigan ko paggabi. Tulugan ko yung girlfriend ko. And today, wala pa tayong kakainin. So, that's gonna be our topic today. And napingin talaga ng pusa ako. Umihi na naman siya. Buinas na ni pusa. Ano na naman? Ihi ko na naman ng ihi dyan. Umihi na siya, guys. Pwede dito sa loob. But anyways, here's the catch. Wala pa rin kaming ulamin. Hindi ko alam kung anong bibilin. Wala akong alam kung anong gagawin. And wala pang kanin. I don't know. Anong gagawin ko dito? Hindi, wala pa rin kasi si mama. Sa vacation siya. Sana all nag-swimming sa dagat, diba? Kasi ako hindi pa ako nakapagdagat for almost, I don't even know. I've been a kid pa lang nung magdagat kami. So, I don't know kung kailan ulit ako makapagdagat. Namiss ko na yung dagat pero my first sea experience was not that good. Pero, ay, sumasabat na pusa ni talaga. Actually, yung space na to, ginawa niya ng ihian. Finding a mate. Tagal niya nang ginagawa yan, in-heat na pusa. At yun, pinapakapon. Parang yung isa doon. Sino nga ba yun? Anyways, kahanap ako ng pwedeng pang-ulam. Pero kung na, magsasaing muna tayo kasi wala pa tayong kanin. But anyways, let me share me one thing. Ang bilis malobot itong camera na to. And I can't comprehend na ganyan siya kabilis malobot. Like kasi nilang minutes pa lang ako nagre-record. Wala na, 1% na lang siya. I don't know why, pero matagal na siyang ganyan. I've been charging it so long. I don't know how to fix it. Anyways, sasaing nga ako. Wala nga tayong makain. Ayun, tulog pa naman yung dalawa. Puyat si Jam kagabi. Napakaingay na eh! Walang ginawa sa bahay na to kundi umiiyak mag-ingay. Well, that's what you call parenting. Pakaingay talaga ang pusa yan. Wala tayong magagawa. In-heat. Matagal na siyang in-heat. Oo na! Hindi na nga eh. Anyways, kain muna ako. Martik na yan. Nakapatanong ka. Bakit nga ba ako nag-shoot sa vlog? Tanungin din kita. Hindi ko na alam. Anyways, lalabas na muna ako. I'm gonna be going outside to find some food. Well, actually, di ko rin alam kung lulutuin ko. Pero meron namang pwedeng lutuin doon. Pauwi na rin naman si mama today. I don't think it's necessary to buy something that is too expensive since wala naman kami masyadong gastos. Back to that idea. Nagpapabango kasi. Taon dito. Kaya ayoko pa maging magulang. Ganito. Responsibility na ganito. Hindi ko nakakaya sarili ko tapos magkakanak. Gusto ko din mag-anak someday. Pero kahit hindi ko magkakanak ako by this point of time. Kaya pwede lumabas. Let's go. Sira yung kabili ng kape. Sira yung kape guys. Dago. Walang kape. Walang kape. I've come a long way. Then malalaman ko sa 7-Eleven, wala naman silang machine. And actually, it's not working today. Hindi siya walang kape. Wala, hindi na ako pumunta. That's something I learned in life. You won't know, not unless you try. Long story short, natakot ako na baka maapektuhan yung vlogging ko habang nag-aaral ako ng engineering. Sabi ko naman na to a million times in this channel. Pero, ang quote natin ngayon is past is past. Forget the past and move on to the future. No? Move on to the present moment, present day. Huwag mong po-focus sa dati. Kung nagkaroon man ako ng mistake this past times, no? Huwag natin masyadong i-lurk yung sarili natin doon, and let's move forward sa present. Kung ngayon nagbablog pa rin ako, diba? I think there's something in it, no? There's something in my heart. I want to do this, no? Na hindi lang to basta-basta, pero it's something. Anyways, peeps, I'm almost done. I'm still cooking this spam ko, no? Launching meat ko, no? Here, meron siyang itlog. Hindi ako na itlog kasi naalala ko dati. Gusto ko yung may ganyan itlog. And some noodles on the house. Well, nagdagan ko ng tubig kasi parang ang lata yan. Initing ko ng konti. Aray ko. I got nothing to defend it. Walang pan-defend sa mantika. So, it's not yet. Pero
Pero I mean, unti lang naman luto sa spam. Hindi naman kailangan lutuin na sobra. I'm gonna get back when I'm done kasi maliligo ko after. So we're gonna eat. Probably. So yeah. What's up? Nakatulog ako after kong kumain at magkape. Well, it's normal for me kasi makakatulog talaga ako din naantokin ako. Pagkatapos ko antokin, gising na ako. I don't know why, but that always happen. I think I'll be ending the first Kulitan vlogs here. I don't know what will be the title of this, but as long as I am keeping making this kind of contents, I'll be happy. I-end ko lang siya kasi I don't think I have the time to edit it as much as I wanted to. Well, wala siya masyadong content. Well, ganito lang naman nangyari sa buhay ko. This and that kinda sucked, right? But we'll get there. Okay, we'll get there. Unti-unti, okay? Medyo na-realize ko na what will be the point in my life. And sabi ko nga, bibigay ko na rin yung doubts and worries ko kay Lord. Because having these doubts and worries makes me feel like uneasy sa mga nangyari sa mga bagay-bagay, which is not good. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna give Him all the worries and everything, and then just start making content again. A brand new start. That is the purpose of Kulitan Zero. Well, are we ready for that change? I don't know yet, but I am sure we are on the positive track. We're doing some great progress to ourselves, and what's more, I'm much confident na. Might be, maybe because I moved on and everything, just like I said earlier. Ayun, mission successful naman kasi nakakain naman yung mga kapatid ko. Palpak lang medyo yung luto ko sa spam kuna. Medyo makapal yung hiwa ko. I mean, it's my first time cooking it. Mistakes are, you know, expected. But anyways, now I'm gonna be playing some games, and then after I play I'll do something. Maybe I'll edit the video or make the report na kailangan ko gawin. Unahin ko muna yung mga priors ko, and then I'll be on my way. But anyways, I think I'll see you later. I think I'll edit this video now. Or I don't know, maybe. Pero natitrip ako na siya i-edit. So, I'm glad that I'm making this with you guys. And I hope you will be. And thank you so much for the support for the pilot testing. I really saw your support. It has 51 views. I didn't expect it. I don't know. Bumaliktad yung mundo ko. Like as in, mas marami ako laging views sa Facebook before. And then now sa YouTube, nakakuha ko ng at least 50, 30, ganyan. And it's been nice. Actually, successful na sa nakita kong 28 views siya. And I thought no one will watch it. Why would they watch it? It's called pilot testing. But I think you guys miss me. I miss myself. I miss everything that I do. So let's do it again, okay? I'll be on my way, and I'll see you on the next video, Kulitan fam. Memento mori. Always remember that you will die someday. And do it. You know, do something to make it worth it. See ya next time. Kulitan fam. Bye-bye. Itekimasu. I'm out for now.